2010-11 में शोएब मंसूर साहब was the first person who cast you.
Yeah.
How did that happen? How did that come about?
He saw me on TV and wanted to cast me.
Just like that.
Just like that.
Again, कोई PR भी या कोई ये नहीं कि इधर से contact, उधर से सिफारिश.
In fact, उससे पहले I was meant to do a play called Malal with Mehreen Jabbar. So I was getting offers the minute I came on TV.
Obviously.
So, you know, from Momina and all these guys, I don't remember at that time कौन कहाँ मतलब क्या होता था, but Hum TV, I remember going there, signing Malal, and then I got pregnant. So I said I can't come. And then I had Azlan, and I literally एक हफ्ते बाद I think Shoaib साहब का phone आ गया. And I was like, ये कौन है, क्या हो रहा है? Obviously I knew Shoaib साहब, but I was just like, okay. So that's what happened. There was, and till date, the thing is, anyway, we'll talk about it when you ask me about it.
But you've said it कि वो कोई इतना मीठी किरदार नहीं था फिल्म में, but that's not something that bothered you.
Not at all.
And it has never bothered you कि यार कि वो किरदार का screen time कितना हो तो फिर है.
No, not at all. I mean, the only thing that happened with me, which now I think about, is that actors को, and I shouldn't be complaining, मगर actors को trial और error का बहुत मौका मिलता है. अगर आप हमारे यहाँ भी देखें या हर जगह देखें, तो आप इतने ड्रामे कर चुके होते हैं या इतनी फिल्म्स कर चुके होते हैं कि आप मन जाते हैं. I got success very quickly, you know. And again, it's not that I didn't work hard for it. My entire life is a testament to how much I've worked hard. And you don't need to see it, you know, I don't know.
You don't have to say it also.
I don't even need to say it, but because that happened, Hassan, that's where I got stuck. Like, imagine it was Humsafar Bol is the same year. And that was it, you know?
Humsafar Bol and of course Niyat.
Bol and Niyat came out the same day.
Niyat was your first drama.
Yes. And they came out on the same day, Friday. Seriously.
Quite a sign ना उस वक्त के लिए. आपने सोचा होगा यार ये तो कोई साइन है कि फिल्म भी एक ही दिन आ रही है.
नहीं, मुझे उस वक्त कुछ भी नहीं पता था. मुझे अच्छा ठीक है, ये भी हो रहा है, ये भी हो रहा है, वो भी हो रहा है.
नियत आपका पहला ड्रामा हुमायूं सईद के साथ, उन्होंने वो प्रोड्यूसर भी थे. आप लोग न्यूयॉर्क में बर्गर खाने उतरे तो आपने उनको कन्फ्रंट कर लिया. आपने उनको कहा कि आपकी रेपुटेशन सही नहीं है हुमायूं, लेकिन आप प्लीज डोंट ट्राई एनीथिंग ऑफ दैट सॉर्ट विद मी. एंड ही लाफ्ड एंड यू बिकेम फ्रेंड्स.
I don't know if we became friends at that point, because he was, you know, a much bigger actor. Also, you know, they were all older than me. I was a bit scared, but he definitely, I think I became his goodie after. But he wanted to just
protect you, as you said, protect you like a baby.
Yeah. You know, you never know with my side. No, I'm joking. I mean, he's great, yaar. What a guy, you know. I mean, what a guy. For someone to show up at your house at night, the day your nani passes away, because he knows what she meant to you, says a lot about a man. Says a lot about a man. Yeah.
2011 onwards. बोल आई, नियत, हमसफर. तो फिर वो जैसे कहते हैं कि there was no looking back for Mahira Khan.
No turning back.
No turning back and no looking back. What was going on in Mahira Khan's mind उस वक्त कि यार अब ये फेम भी आ रही है, प्रोजेक्ट्स भी आ रहे हैं, overnight sensation तो नहीं, but you had definitely become a sensation by that time.
Actually, उस वक्त, because I was going through a very bad personal sort of time, it didn't register. Nothing registered. Absolutely nothing was registered.
मारा ये जो हम जब स्टार्स को देखते हैं अपनी टीवी स्क्रीन्स के ऊपर या सिनेमा की बड़ी स्क्रीन्स के ऊपर, हम नहीं रियलाइज़ करते कि जिस तरह की स्ट्रगल्स या चैलेंजेस से वो गुजर के सामने आए. जैसे अब आप खुद ही बता रही हैं कि पर्सनल लाइफ में आप एक मुश्किल वक्त से तब भी गुजर रही थी. व्हाट केप्ट यू गोइंग ड्यूरिंग दैट टाइम? होता है ना कि इंसान जब बहुत एक मुश्किल वक्त से गुजरा होता है, दे गिव अप एंड दे से कि यार
my child and my work. For me, my work is my ultimate escape. Ultimate. Which is not a good thing, you know, I've realized this year. But it is. It always has been. इसीलिए मुझे ऐसा लगता है कभी कोई अगर मेरी जिंदगी में मेरे काम को कुछ कहेगा ना, कहूँगी थैंक यू वेरी मच. इसने तब मुझे सहारा दिया था जब मेरे पास कोई नहीं था. So it's my work is so personal to me. It's so personal to me. In fact, that's why I get upset also when I read something. I'm so sensitive about it because I'm like, what do you know? You know, but you can't. आप क्या क्या कह सकते हैं और किस किस को कह सकते हैं? हम नहीं कह सकते.
ये इसलिए भी ना because as you said, growing up, this is what you always wanted to do. बहुत सारे एक्टर्स जो एक्सीडेंटल एक्टर्स वो कहते हैं कि यार कि बस आ गए हम बनना नहीं चाहते थे. आप एक्चुअली बनना चाहती थी ये सब. आप चाहती थी ये सब कि हर कोई मायरा खान का नाम ले, मायरा खान हो बिलबोर्ड के ऊपर. और सबसे बड़ा जो आपका ख्वाब, टू वर्क विद शाहरुख खान. मैं वहाँ जाते हुए मुझे एक वो गूज़बम्प टाइप हो रहे हैं बिकॉज आई नो हाउ मच दैट मीन्स टू यू और वो कितनी बड़ी आपके लिए एक बात थी. और बाय एक्सटेंशन यू नो बिकॉज आई हैव बीन सच एन ऑब्सेसिव शाहरुख खान फैन, टू नो समवन हु इज एक्चुअली यू नो वर्कड एज हिज लीड, मेरे लिए भी यू नो मैं अक्सर कहता हूँ कि ये बहुत बड़ी बात है. बट वो कैसे हुआ मायरा?
अच्छा, I'll tell you कि वो कैसे हुआ, but before that I want to tell you something. So, you know, I was watching something where you and Amna, or you alone, I can't remember, were talking about how, you know, have you seen all my dramas?
Not all of them.
What have you seen?
Not all of them.
What have you watched?
I've seen Bin Roy. I've seen obviously.
Have you seen Bin Roy the drama?
I've seen Humsafar. Yeah, I've seen Bin Roy the drama.
Okay, and
I've seen Humsafar.
And
I've seen bits of Shehrazad.
no, you have to.
I have seen bits of Shehrazad. I know you disagree, but I've seen bits of Shehrazad.
So now, don't go from Humsafar to Race.
Okay.
Okay, because this is a very important part of my journey. After Humsafar, and this अब आप देखते होंगे कि जब सक्सेस आपको इतनी ज़्यादा मिलती है तो फिर आपके ऑफर्स भी बदल जाते हैं. ऑफर्स इन अ वे दैट आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट कमर्शियली, आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट स्क्रिप्ट्स एंड दिस एंड दैट.
जो किरदार आपको
किरदार दिए जाते हैं, जो स्टोरीज आपको सुनाई जाती हैं. इनफैक्ट देयर इज अ टाइम आपको सारी स्टोरियां आपको सुनाई जा रही होती हैं, राइट? बिकॉज आप एवरीवन वांट्स कि ये इसमें आ जाए, राइट? So this is something I would like to tell you, because I don't think you know this, that after Humsafar, because it was a lot, I took a break. And I didn't do several plays, which I felt the character was like Khirat. Then I did Shehrazad, which you must watch.
पूरा, I will.
पूरा, क्योंकि not just for me, but because वो एक बहुत खूबसूरत प्ले है और स्क्रिप्ट है. और सरमद ने डायरेक्ट किया था और उमेरा ने लिखा है और उसमें सारे अदाकारों ने बहुत कमाल काम किया था. I took Shehrazad up, which was a hard one to take up. And then the next thing that I took up, and then again, I was not ready to take up another serial. मोमना said, Bin Roy कर लो. मैंने कहा मैं करूँगी अगर आप इसको फिल्म बना देंगे. So the reason why Bin Roy became a film is because we had this tussle, and I said, we need to get into films. Why aren't we doing films? She said, okay, you do the serial. I'll give you the film. We'll make it film serial. I said, okay.